to the JAMFamily. Hi guys! So today guys, early in the morning guys, nagpunta po kami sa farmer's market. Ayan po, every Saturday, meron din po every Wednesday. So today guys, I will be showing you guys kung anong mga nabili ko po sa farmer's market. Mga ano po sila, fresh po talaga. At ipapakita ko rin po mamaya sa inyo what we're gonna be having for lunch.
Chinese spice chicken.
Yes,
And some
yeah,
guideline
that's gonna be our
toy.
activity
Some Chinese
today,
fish.
guys. Ano lang po, just to talk about my days and what I'm gonna be doing today. Here we go, guys. Let me show you guys kung ano po mga napamili ko sa farmer's market. Here we go, guys. Ito po yung mga nabili ko sa farmer's market. Guys, i-introduce ko po sila isa-isa, guys. Yeah, what do you call that, Adam? Hey, guys. Let me show you guys one by one what I got. Guys, again, Adam's favorite, like always. Ito po ang aming strawberry na nabili po namin sa farmer's market. Nabili din po kami ng cherry. Ano po siya ngayon? Season po ng mga cherry ngayon. Po ako ng kulay na red potato. At ito rin po, nakabili din po ako ng matamis na cherry. Yan po, ito rin po nakabili din 35 organic strawberry, guys. Ipakita sa inyo kung ano po yung mga pinamili ko, guys. Meron din po ako napamili, guys, kaganina na zucchini. Yan, guys, zucchini. Nakabili din po ako ng green onion, guys. Fresh na fresh. Yan po. Meron din po ako nabili na cilantro kasi po magluluto po kami ng So we're gonna be needing, kailangan po namin ng fresh na cilantro para sa aming Vietnamese Cilantro, guys, is my favorite vegetable. Nilalagay ko rin po siya sa itlog kapag nagluluto ko ng itlog ko. Wow, guys, see guys, fresh na fresh. Ito naman po, guys, meron din po ay ang spinach. Yan. Nakabili din po ako ng kay dami-daming spinach. Yan, guys. Tignan natin, guys. Fresh din po siya, guys. Ayan ang spinach, guys. Nilalagay po namin sa sabaw yan at sa smoothie. Ayan, guys. But my favorite for all is flowers. Pangpadagdag ng kulay sa inyong tahanan ng bulaklak, guys. Guys, pinakikita po sa inyo ni Adam ang cherry niya. Nice. So, yan, guys. Ayan po yung mga napamili po namin sa farmer's market kanina, guys. Ganda po, no? Yan. Ganda po. Fresh na fresh. Galing pa sa farmer's market sa Chico, California. Yan po, guys. Gusto ko lang po sa inyo, ipakita ko ano po yung mga napamili namin. Karamihan po talaga ay fresh na fresh po at bagong pitas lang, guys. Yan, guys. Mamaya naman po, ipapakita naman po namin ang aming magiging lunch for today. Yan. Ito ang lunch for today, guys. Go, guys. Sabi raw po ni Daddy at Aram, gusto raw po nila matry ng organic strawberry. Go ahead.
You like it?
Why do you like it, Adam?
It's sweet. Look at this. Super sweet.
Guys, wow. So, nagtatry lang po
Check out Adam's tattoo.
Habang naghihintay po kami sa
Got him a
amin
tattoo.
sa niluto po para po makakain na kami ng pang-lunch. Ayan po ang tattoo ni Adam. Nilagay
Well,
ni
he
Daddy.
touched it, but it says, "Smile, Jesus loves you."
Yay! Jesus Healthy guys, sabi raw po ng tato ni Adam. Yan po guys, nag-try lang po sila muna habang naghihintay kami ng aming lunch guys. Hindi pa po kami kumakain guys. So, fresh na fresh po ito. Homemade food po ang kakainin namin ngayon. Guys, magta-try naman po sila ng cherry.
The red and the yellow reddish.
Mm,
The yellow one's very sweet.
and the red one is a little bit sour guys.
Yeah, it's a little bit sour, but the yellow one's a sweeter one.
Yeah. Do you like it, Adam? You like it? Masarap? Masarap. Guys. Yan guys, napaka-enjoyment po kasi guys kung maglakad-lakad po kayo ng farmers market. Marami po silang binibenta ng mga fresh na vegetable. Yun, guys, here we go. Tapos na po ang marinated chicken ni Daddy. What do you call this again? Chinese?
Five spice chicken marinade.
Here we go, guys. It's ready. Wow, guys. This is awesome, guys. Our food for lunch. Yep, may vegetable kaming kapartner sa chicken. Kasi kung walang vegetable, hindi kompleto. Meron din po kaming kanin. Fresh na fresh. Yan. Tapos meron din kaming mga prutas dyan. Beautiful. Sarap tingnan guys, isinig. Yan. Guys, kakain na po kami. Yan po, meron din po akong sausawa na ginawa si Daddy Toyo. Diba? Yan, kakain na po kami together. Ginawan din po niya ako ng hot chocolate na may whipped cream chocolate on top. I love it. Yep, meron din po si Adam na sabaw. Yep, so mag-start na po kami kumain, guys. Okay, kakain na po kami, guys. Hi, everyone. So, kakain na po kami. Let's eat.
Let's eat.
Yan, Daddy. Daddy, kinakabay. Yan, kakain na po kami. Ang ginawa ni Daddy. What is it again? Chinese?
Five spice chicken.
Yeah, pizza. Minarinate niya po yan ng how many hours?
I marinate for 24 hours and then I cooked it for at least 35 to 40 minutes.
Yep,
And
so this is gonna be...
Adam's going to be having rice porridge because he likes rice porridge instead of bland rice. He just likes soupy stuff like chicken noodle soup and all that noodles.
Okay, let's go. Kakain na po kami.
Can I see this?
Hopefully, guys, you guys already eat too. Let's eat, guys. Ada.
Just rip them out meat. It's okay.
Kumakain na po kami ngayon. Atry. You want it? Try na po natin, guys. Tayo, guys. Nagugas na po ako ng kamay. I already wash my hand, guys.
Wow. The Chinese five spice chicken. Very yummy. I did a good job.
Guys, it's very
Yummy.
flavoring. It's really good. Sinasawsaw ko po siya sa toyo at suka. Mas masarap. Nilagyan niya ng lemon. That's a good thing about marinating, guys. Pwede niyo siyang let it marinate for
24 hours.
24 hours, but he marinated it for almost 30 hours. So, it's really tasty, guys. You want that, ma? Guys, ang sarap. Mas masarap po kumain, guys, kapag nagkakamata tayo. Yan, sarap. That's it, baby. That's it. I need you to eat, baby boy. Kain po tayo. Kain. This is so yummy, guys. Guys, mas masarap kumain guys ng kung magkamay kayo. Nice guys. Ang sarap.
Ang sarap.
Hope guys, kayo rin kumain na rin kayo guys. Huwag kayo magpapagutom. Hindi maganda yung napapagutom.
Rice ahead.
You don't like your porridge.
Right there.
Can I have more rice, huh? Sabi ko sa inyo guys, pagdating sa kanin at manok guys, talagang malakas ang kumain guys. Masarap sila guys. Guys, ang sarap niya guys. Nako. Type ko siya guys, yung pagka-marinate.
Ang sarap. Wow. That's good.
Sarap guys.
That's very good.
Kain tayo guys. Para akong nasa makinasal guys. Guys, this is homemade guys, okay? Homemade. What is it again? Homemade.
Spice Chinese chicken. Masarap.
Masarap siya. What do you call this one?
Dalang choy.
Meron siyang galang.
This is fully cooked up. You can just look at it. Yeah, it's fully cooked. Yeah, that's done. skin. Yeah, that's done. Done.
Masong sarap.
No, it's okay.
Meron din po akong hot chocolate. Masarap.
Good. Hello everyone!
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Please
Subscribe!